Bye-bye, home.
Home is right there. Your home is right there.
Yeah, right there. Look.
Oh.
You see that thing right there?
The camper?
Yeah, it's the biggest thing. It's like the biggest car here. I mean, there's a bigger one in the back. So say goodbye.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Bye-bye, camper van.
No, it's right here.
Oh, right. Goodbye, camper van. I miss you.
It's right here. You should at least say goodbye, land.
Goodbye, land. It makes more sense.
Goodbye, camper van.
No, it's right. You know what?
Hello.
Back in 2020, we bought a camper van because COVID kind of changed our way of traveling. Today is, well, it's July 2023. And after the recent situation with Rainbow, we managed to get back to Florence, but we decided to empty the whole camper, and we're gonna bring it back for repair. But we are very conscious of the fact that we might have to sell Rainbow. We decided to make a little video to remember Rainbow. So we want to show you Rainbow out as it is now that's empty.
Hi guys.
Hi.
We are finished up. Look,
It looks like when we bought it back in 2020. It's just as empty, but it just feels more like us now. We left our signs because if everything goes okay and they were able to fix it, then we will keep on going. But if things don't go as we hope, then we will sell it. So here's some of our signs. Luca's checking the drawers if there's something missing. We finished cleaning the fridge. We haven't seen it this empty since we bought it. And then Cosimo is on his bed.
Oh yeah, just my bed. I only sleep here. The rest of them sleep back
And
there.
Emma slept there too.
Oh, it's so nice, this bed. There's one issue if we sell a camper. This is the place we've slept the best, all of us. We noticed that we tend to sleep, in other places we will sleep less, here we'll sleep much longer.
Yeah, that's one of the downfalls. And just the fact you have the freedom to stop and sleep wherever you are.
Well, maybe we can make Rainbow have a baby. I'm pretty sure that's possible.
Sure.
We'll grow it.
Who knows? What do you think? Luca's a little bit sad. This is the shower that I think it's never empty, except when we take a shower in it. And this is the bathroom. Oh, and the bathroom door, we took all the stickers off. We did keep all the stickers here. Maybe someone else will enjoy them. And this is the bathroom, all empty. Yes, everything is empty. Where's Luca? I lost Luca. Luca. Hello? Hi! We took off our map and we have to update it. Greenland. We have to take it all out.
And Mongolia.
Germany, Austria.
Wait, we didn't go to Austria.
Netherlands. Seriously.
We drove by it.
When we were in Austria, you know.
Welcome to Austria!
She makes us do this in the rain. Let's go inside.
Because this is the only part of Austria we're seeing. Okay, let's go. We're at the gas station. But we decided not to count it.
You were sleeping, but we were in
Austria
Austria
doesn't count.
for 3 hours.
Austria doesn't count. We'll sell the camper for more. We'll just say, okay, and a child comes with it.
You want us to sell you too?
Belgium.
No? Are you going to get out then? Are you sad? Yeah.
And summer with Rainbow. Put me in the trash.
In the trash? Why in the trash?
Because when someone says Rainbow, they put them in the trash.
No, they're not going to put Rainbow in the trash. If we sell it, someone else is going to use it. It's like when you buy a house.
Okay, let me tell you, a normal Cosimo's day in the camper. So Babel's driving. I wake up from the back, okay? I come up here, I sit here, I look through the yarn, I pick the yarn, and then I start crocheting. Normally there's a pillow, and I put like music here, and then I just start crocheting. Yeah, I'm gonna miss that. I can crochet in bed in the camper. In other places you can't because there's a table. Here you got a shade in bed, so yeah. And also just reading up here was nice because there's so many positions you could be in, like this. You can read like this, or like this, or like this. Oh, my head. Or like this, or like this, or
I got your point.
like this, or hang on, or let's see, like this, or let's see,
Okay, I
like
got
this.
it.
with
Yeah,
your-
I got it.
or let's see, we could use the ladder as a reading thing too, like this, or we could use like this.
What will you miss of Rainbow if we sell it?
About this and all the other stuff.
Your things that you kept in the camper?
Yeah.
And will you miss sleeping in the camper?
Yeah.
What about you, Emma?
Here I come. Up.
I'm just gonna miss the camper.
In
Yo,
general?
man.
I agree. I'm gonna miss the fact that we had the freedom to stop and sleep and have some really pretty quick.
Are you crying?
Yeah.
Mama, you said you wouldn't cry. Don't be emotional.
What about you? I'm sure you're not gonna miss driving.
Yeah, but it's a cool thing to have a camper, guys, because we stop in many places that otherwise we wouldn't see it.
Yeah, like the Maro place. The place with Maro in Croatia.
Hey, we gotta go watch Mario.
Campsite.
Yeah, we saw the Mario movie.
What does that have to do with this?
We watched the Mario movie.
Yeah, the
Okay.
Mario movie. Let's see what else.
Mario movie.
We saw Enola Holmes too in this game.
We saw all of Enola Holmes in the camper for Emma's birthday. We celebrated 2 birthdays here.
No,
Yes.
Yes.
3.
What's the third
My
one?
birthday.
No.
Yeah.
No.
We
Yeah.
were in a house.
And the camper was
Oh.
there.
So yeah, we have a lot of good memories.
The camper is like a house. When you sell it, it's like,
Your heart breaks a little
yeah.
I'm not that emotional.
bit. You will miss that bed because you can't read and crochet on it.
Now
You
it's
just don't
cool.
cry, but you're emotional about it.
Okay, guys.
Let's go.
It's time to go.
Or like this. Or like that.
Okay, let's go, Cosimo.
Or you can do like
It's time to get
this.
out, Cosimo.
Or like that.
Cosimo.
Or you can read reading like that. Or you can open the window and put it like this. Or you can...
Bye, Cosimo.
Hey, wait, Mama. Hey, wait, no, Mama, don't close.
Dear Rainbow, I'm sitting here thinking of our past 3 years together, and all I can do is thank you for making every moment magical and unforgettable. One of the biggest lessons we learned from our 6 years of full-time travel is to enjoy the moment we're living fully without overthinking the past or planning too much for the future. Be in the present. As we say our last goodbyes and define the sale of our beautiful home on wheels, I feel like we have fully accomplished this with you. Our travels have been so much more meaningful and important because of our decision to settle down and buy a home on wheels. In 2020, after spending 3 months in a little but lovely apartment in lockdown in Kathmandu, Nepal, we made our way back to Italy with the mission of finding a way of traveling without taking any flights for a while. We found you on a hot summer day in a campervan resale shop in Italy. And as soon as we walked in and checked out the space, we knew we were sold from the first step. We just found our perfect home on wheels. We did have to handle a bit of a learning curve to adjust to the new space and the new camper life. You were a bit smaller than an apartment, but you felt so cozy and welcoming to us. We loved making all your spaces work for us. We loved decorating you inside and out, making you even more homey to us. You gave us the freedom to be wherever we wanted for as long as we wanted to be. You gave us the chance to be at home wherever we wanted to park you for the night. You gave us a chance to have breaks on long drives by simply going in the back and taking a long nap. You gave us a chance to travel with bikes, which we loved to use. Every excuse was perfect to pull them out. Thank you, Mas, for patiently taking care of that. You allowed us to sleep in, cook as much as we liked, watch movies, play, create new projects, and just be together. Whether it was hot, cold, windy, or rainy, you kept us safe. We made many friends because of you. On the highways, many people honked to us or messaged us. And in campsites, many were so curious to see what you looked like inside. Everyone loved to check out your space and see how we managed to live in it. I think we inspired a few people to go explore the world with a camper van. You took us up steep roads without missing a beat, although we did hold our breath all the way up. You made it through extremely tight roads, which honestly, I thought would not be possible. But you and Moss proved me wrong every time. You also took us on some interesting dirt roads, which I was glad we didn't get stuck in. You gave us a few scares, like the time some tube came out from the front and we had to call the tow truck, who made us ride in the camper van while moving us to the repair shop. Not sure that was completely legal, but we were in Turkey, so I guess it was okay. Or the time you drove over the barbed wire and we had to get it off before it destroyed the tire. It was dark and pretty complicated, but we managed to free you. Or the time when we had the biggest issue of them all and we had to leave you behind in Germany to get repaired because we had part of our trip already planned. We were stuck for 3 days in a parking lot waiting for a tow truck, but you kept us safe and cozy there too. You are also the home where the kids started new things. For example, Cosimo and Emma started knitting and crocheting while we were traveling in our camper van. In the last few months, there was more yarn in their bed than space for them to sleep. Luca learned the alphabet while reading it all around the bed. He also went from riding the bike with training wheels to finally taking them off and going on his own. We all learned to coexist peacefully in a tiny space and actually miss and crave to be back whenever we had to leave you. We have so many stories and so many unforgettable moments that will always be with us. But life is a cycle and everything comes to an end. So this chapter is closing, but we don't want to be sad about it. On the contrary, we are extremely grateful to have had the chance to adapt our travels to the changes that took place in 2020 in order to continue exploring also when everything seemed to want to stop us. We have been places that were not even on our initial bucket list and done things that we never thought we would, just because you were there to take us. You have been the perfect home for a traveling family like us, and we are so grateful to have found you. Thank you for the adventures you gifted us and wishing you so many more with your new owners. We love you, Rainbow. The 5 World Explorers.
Hi, I'm the new driver. Nope, sorry. This is my spot now.
Here are the keys. Drive, Emma.
Vroom, vroom.
Different mysteries, full life mixed with tears. We are happy most of the time, and we get along better than fine. Left and right we braid, through the ups and downs we sway. It's easy either way. When I'm covered in tears, you scare away them fears. Together we know how to be more than our vows. We are happy most of the time, and we get along better than fine. Left and right we braid, through the ups and downs we sway. It's easy either way. Paper kites carrying dynamite. We are in full bloom under the moon.
Circus training.
We are
Luca, you're not making it easier.
happy most of the time, and we get along better than fine. Yes, we are happy most of the time, when we get along better than fine. Left and right we braid, seriously, the ups and downs we sway.
Oh.
It's easy either
5 World Explorers here. Me, Cozy, and Luke are the first ones to enter our brand new amazing camper van! Yeah, and now it's a big camper van. Have beds, showers, and parties, and table, and some chairs! Yeah, this is country.
This is the camper?
Van?
The camper van. Is this our new house? Are we gonna travel with our new house now? And where are we gonna go?
To Emma's and seeing some mermaids.
Oh, okay. So we're gonna go to the beach and to see animals.
Yeah.
And maybe we go see some mountains too. Would you like to see some mountains?
No.
No mountains. Okay.